बड़ा हो गया दोस्तों। Munawar Faruqi, who fondly goes by the name Munna, has now graduated with distinction. From being Munna, the stand-up comedian and rapper, to becoming Munna, lock-up winner, to now the winner of Bigboss 17. Munawar Faruqi, owing to his cult fan following, was the front-runner for the trophy all along. He initially played a subtle game in terms of game participation, entertainment, and drama. But the subtlety soon changed into ferociousness as weeks passed. Munawar is the same man जिसको सलमान खान ने खुद शुरुआत में बोला था that he needs to pull up his socks and get into the game because he isn't being noticed. He kept going, quietly building bonds with Ankeeta Lukande and Manara Chopra and later ابھیشیک Kumar. Of course, like any other friendship in the real world, he fought with them, screamed at them, and even ignored them on many occasions. But they always patched up, and Munna, suffice to say, turned out to be a trustworthy friend after all. Things went from bad to worse for Munawar when his ex-partner, at least from what we gather, Aisha Khan, entered the BB house as a wildcard entry and opened a Pandora box filled with accusations of cheating and betrayal. For the longest time, his personal life became the biggest topic of conversation both inside and outside, but he persevered, never really making it any uglier than it already was, and kept his head held high. During the last days inside the BB house, Munawar really pulled up his game, giving it his all, participating and playing the game. He anyway always shone in the task and mostly won all of them. And today, here we are, Munawar Faruqi, a winner. Congratulations, Munna, you played a good game with dignity. Do leave in your best wishes for Munawar in the comments and subscribe to Shosha for all things entertainment.